my name's Victoria Nicole and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing this beautiful fall look inspired by Makeup by Eyeliner, as well as the liner, the glitter liner inspired by Luna Dea. I'm going to leave their stuff over here so you can check them out. Oh my god, this liner looks beautiful. And I cannot wait for you guys to check it out. Also, if you guys have not checked out my top Instagram and top YouTube favorites that I'm loving this past few months, then check those out. They are in my Project V playlist, so go check them out. And now let's get on to the video. Hello babes, I'm starting off with Plouise Base in Rumor 2. Now I'm going in with the James Charles palette. This is in the shade Tune on the transition. And now I'm going in with B, which is this beautiful yellow shade. And I'm applying that to the transition and a little bit above the transition. Sorry. Now I'm going in with 518. This I'm going to do a little bit more inside towards my nose to kind of give it a beautiful effect. And of course going back in a B because, you know, blending is life. Now we're going in with Social Blade, which is this beautiful green color. All the colors for the most part are very pigmented. I haven't used any glitters yet. So now we're going in with You're Kidding. And of course cutting that crease because it wouldn't be a makeup tutorial without me cutting my crease. Duh. I'm sorry, that sounded a little crazy. But, you know, I love to cut my crease. Now we're going in with Canvas to set everything. And then going in with Spooky. So Spooky is a little bit of a difficult shade if you don't pack it on first. You have to pack on the color first before you try to blend anything out, or else it will not work out. It would not look good. So I'm going in and just fixing up the edges. Ooh, so now this is a trick I learned by Luna Dea. I am applying lash glue, this dark lash glue that I have, and then I'm getting a clean glitter liner brush and using actual craft glitter to apply the glitter liner, like to apply the craft glitter through. So I'm going little by little, making sure I do not make a mess, because you know your girl makes all these messes. Going in with B again, and then going in with Spooky on the lash line to smoke it all out, because you know smoky is, actually I don't know what smoky is. And now I'm going in with the Creme gel liner, and I'm just using a brush because like it's like a gel pot. Now of course going back in with B, and there you have it, my beauties. So this is the end result. I hope you guys enjoyed my little fall tutorial inspired by Makeup by Eyeliner. Oof. I just love how everything went, and the cut crease, oh my god. As I mentioned earlier, I will be linking how I learned about the cut crease, that little glitter shine, down below. And if you guys have not checked out my other socials, I have Instagram, I have Twitter, I have Facebook, I have TikTok. I got everything. in this beautiful world. Like if you enjoyed this video, leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Will you try out the glitter liner? Yes or no? Leave me a comment below. And subscribe to my channel. Well, to our channel, because it's our kingdom. And just come and join our little family of crazies and beautiful and creativity and just everything. And also don't forget to hit that bell to get notified about my videos. Love you guys. Bye.